This is class number 4 of the Applied Vastu free preliminary course with certificate. In this particular chapter, you will learn how to do the Vastu analysis of your home, office, flat or factory yourself by using our Applied Vastu Compass app. This app is easily available on both Android and iOS platforms. After opening the app, at the top you will see 4 types of compasses are available. Normal compass, 16 zone Vastu compass, 32 zone Vastu compass, and applied Vastu chakra. The normal compass works like a simple direction finder. With this, you can check wall facing directions north, south, east or west. When you open the normal compass, it will first ask you to calibrate your phone so that the directions are perfectly accurate. Calibration means rotating your phone in the shape of the English number 8 so that the sensors can detect directions correctly. For accurate readings, hold your phone straight on a flat surface. This compass is used to understand basic directions, check room orientation, and confirm the direction of the main door. These are very basic things, but they are something every person should clearly understand before doing any kind of Vastu analysis. Next is the 16 zone Vastu compass. This divides the house into 16 zones such as Ishan, Agni, Vayu and Nairitya, which define the flow of energy. We applied Vastu always work based on true north, not magnetic north, because a magnetic compass can give incorrect readings due to interference. If there are electric poles, transformers, strong magnets, or heavy iron furniture nearby, the compass needle can get disturbed. That is why we applied Vastu follow true north. We explain the difference between true north and magnetic north in our Applied Vastu A to Z course in a very simple and practical way so that anyone can understand it clearly. After opening the 16 zone compass, you will also see latitude and longitude on the screen. The app also includes a magnetic field meter that detects abnormal magnetic force. If there are too many electrical wires or appliances nearby, the magnetic flux reading may increase, helping you understand whether the compass reading is reliable or not. By clicking on the Google Map icon, you can overlay the chakra on your current location. And by selecting the camera icon, you can open the rear camera, place your floor plan in front, align the chakra at the center, capture the image, and save it. Next is the 32 zone Vastu compass. This is mainly used to identify the exact zone of the main door. It divides the 16 zones into 32 smaller segments where each segment is 11.25 degrees. This helps you clearly determine whether the door placement is auspicious, inauspicious or neutral. Here also latitude, longitude and magnetic field readings will be displayed. Generally, the 16 zone compass is used to analyze areas like the kitchen, toilet and bedroom, whereas the 32 zone compass is specifically used for checking the main entrance. The fourth and last compass of Applied Vastu compass is the Applied Vastu chakra. With this, you can see which of the 45 devtas are positioned in which direction of your house. This feature is useful when you have a ready floor plan and want to quickly see which room falls in which zone. Below this, you will find a helpful section named User Guide, where step-by-step guidance is provided with pictures. Here, the compass we provide is designed for the preliminary level. We also have our dedicated Applied Vastu software where you can upload your floor plan, identify the Brahmasthan, map the 16 directions, and mark the main entrance with precision. The software also allows you to generate a bar chart and receive a complete Applied Vastu Dishadasha combined report. In the next class, we will learn how to use Google Earth to determine the true north of a property accurately without relying on a physical compass. So, this was the complete overview of the Applied Vastu Compass app. This app provides 4 powerful tools that help in accurate Vastu analysis. You can join our Applied Vastu A to Z course. which includes 40 detailed classes covering true direction analysis, the concepts of 16 directions and 32 entrances, the 45 energy fields, and individual level astrological analysis through our Disha and Dasha reports. Along with the core concepts, the course also covers practical case studies, residential Vastu, industrial Vastu, office Vastu, and many more. The classes can also be repeated whenever needed for better understanding. We also provide lifetime access to our software tools for all our students. In the next class, we will understand how to know the tilt of a building or property using free Google Earth software and our applied Vastu compass.